What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over something to celebrate. Great. So last week on Friday, I hit my biggest day of the year. I made over $1,000 on BYND puts. My last day profit was 620%. You guys loved that video. It's gotten a bunch of views, tons of likes, some comments, people talking about options. So it was great. I really enjoyed making that video, obviously, because it was a big day for me. But the very next day, I hit another big day. Yeah, on a Saturday, believe it or not, I hit another big day on Saturday. Went over 1,000 subscribers, and thank you for that, guys, because if you don't subscribe to the channel, well, I can't reach that, right? The goal for this year was to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are not even in November yet, and we've already reached that goal. Okay, so that's great, and I thank you for that tremendously. Now, because of this, I am going to do a giveaway moving forward here. I'm in talks with a couple companies trying to see what I can secure for you guys. We're going to do a giveaway. It'll be a raffle. The only people who can win are subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, you're going to want to subscribe now, and we'll do that giveaway. Once I know all the details and what it's going to be, how it's going to work, I'll do another video and we'll go over all those details. But for now, I'm letting you know it's only going to be for subscribers. Now, I've been looking at the analytics in the background, and there's about 20,000 of you who watch me a lot. Like, you guys watch my videos, but you're not subscribing. You gotta help me out here. Come on, that's such an awesome number. If I can even get half of that, that'd be great. Smash the subscribe button for me. It really helps out the channel a lot when you subscribe, like, and comment this, in the comment section below. Believe me, like the analytics, the way the coding is all works on YouTube, all of that together helps out the channel tremendously. So if you value what I put out here for you, and you enjoy watching the videos and you watch a lot, do me that favor, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. It really goes a long way. And that's it, guys. That's what this video is about. I'm super excited and stoked. I'm in talks with a couple companies. Like I said, we're going to have a real good giveaway to celebrate this 1,000 subscriber breakthrough. And once again, thank you very much, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.